through a field of cows. Now the sun has come out and it's so nice. Some babies. This one's got a colourful nose. It's got a black nose. We're just coming up to about 5 miles and we're heading to a little village called Youlgreave, and then from there we're going to then get some lunch. Making our way down to the river. So this is our little chosen picnic spot. We're gonna have some sandwiches. Got some strawberries. Everyone enjoying their walk today? There's nothing in there. Trying to get a picture of the blue water, but it's really hard to see how blue it is. Yeah. Some old farmhouse. We're at Lathkill Dale. It's one of the finest limestone valleys. Crystal clear streams and mossy rocks. Okay. Hi everyone, we're at mile 10 of our walk today in the Peach District, and we've got about 6 kilometres left to do, and it's been really nice. Just want to clarify, I meant 10 kilometres, not miles, and then we have 6 kilometres left. My dad corrected me because he said the wrong thing. Still trying. This walk was blooming marvellous. Hi everyone, and that's the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed our video. Bye!